Over 500 of you guys have watched my video, Software Sales Salaries and Why They Make So Much, guys. If you're interested in all things software sales and money, make sure to check that video out. I get a lot of messages from you guys on LinkedIn saying, hey Trent, what was your OTE as an SDR? What do you make as an AE and everything in between, guys? I'm gonna open up and share exactly how much I've made in my sales career each year as an SDR, 1, 2, 3, and now as an account executive. If you don't know, OTE stands for on target earnings, and it's very common in software sales, and it's a mix of your base pay, which is fixed each year, and then your variable pay, which is essentially your commissions each year. The better you do, the more variable pay you're gonna get, guys, and the further you go in your sales career, the higher that number is gonna be. That's why we make these videos, because I wanna help you become better at sales and reach success sooner rather than later in your life, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in all things sales. Leave a like as well, it really helps the channel, guys, and we have a lot of fantastic videos on the way. Let's get into it, guys. So, a lot of people are interested in, okay, how much should I expect to make as an SDR? A lot of people who watch this channel are interested in getting in sales and are in college. It's a wide variety of audience, guys, but you say, hey, what should I expect to make my first year, guys? So my first year in sales when I first started, and before I share these numbers, guys, just know that not liking to talk about income, I really think that's an old way of thinking. Think about in today's day and age, who is your favorite basketball, football, baseball player? You probably know exactly what their contract terms are. Your favorite college football coach, oftentimes they're the highest paid state official in the state, guys. We have no problem talking about their incomes, so why don't you feel comfortable talking about your income, guys? I want to change that. I want to make it commonplace, and if you're not okay talking with your income, that's fine, but I like to talk about mine, so just know that it's not me bragging or thinking I'm better than anyone else or worse than anyone else. It's simply me sharing objectively what I've made and what you can expect to make as well in sales, guys. So when I graduated college in 2018 from Ohio University, I moved to Dallas, Texas. I started a job in software sales, and my OTE when I first started was $50,000. It was a mix of $40,000 base pay and $10,000 variable commission, guys. And at the time, it was a lot of money, guys. My rent was like $1,400. I picked a really luxury, nice building in Dallas, and I was making that income and still had plenty left over to save, guys. Fast forward, because this is gonna be more interesting to you. Fast forward to the start of 2019. So 2019 as a whole, I promoted, I was an SDR2, and my on-target earnings, so it was $65,000, $50,000 base pay, and $15,000 variable pay. That was a long time ago, guys. In the year of 2019, I ended up making $80,000. That's what was on my W-4, and that's how much I made, guys. How did I make more than what I was expected to make? It's because I performed over my numbers and got into accelerators. If you're looking for a job in sales, make sure your company offers accelerators. That's essentially if you go up and over your number, you get paid extra based on all of that commission. That's really important to know and really important to hash out, because if your employer doesn't offer uncapped commissions, guys, then they're just holding you back and you're not gonna be able to reach your full potential. For example, IBM, guys, they don't offer that, and that's why they're an old school company that's going on the downcline. So guys, fast forward to 2020, I promoted to an SDR3, which is essentially a senior sales development rep, guys, and my on-target earnings was $80,000. It was $60,000 base, $20,000 variable, guys. In the year of 2020, guys, this most recent year, I actually just got my last paycheck. It's early 2021 right now, and I made $113,000, guys. That's well up and over my number, over $30,000 up and over my number, guys, because I had a big year. I performed well, and think about this, that was during COVID, and just know that a lot of the excuses you hear people making, oh, budgets have been slashed, it's impossible to sell right now, guys, that's not the case. You have to form your own opinions, go out, work hard, put in the necessary level of action, guys, and you can do exactly what you want to do. So right now in 2021, I'm a full-fledged account executive. I'm a mid-tier account executive. We call it AE3. And guys, my on-target earnings is about $137,000. So hopefully if I follow the same trend, I'll make more than that in 2021. But just note, I recently turned 25. When I first started working, 22, 23. Fast forward 2.5 years later, you go from $50,000 on target earnings all the way up to $137,000 on target earnings, guys. And the reason I share that is because what other profession can you accelerate your income potential by over 3x, guys? That's really important to know. And I just want to share with you guys where I'm at. So I'm at a pool right now. I'm actually in Florida. I'm on the ocean. I want to come show you guys the water right here. But just think about, get into a knowledge profession. I've been able to work from home all ears, guys, which is fortunate. I'm fortunate to be in this position. I'm also fortunate to be here by the ocean right here. It's really calming in the mornings, guys. Helps me get my thoughts together before I go make those cold calls. But just know that, guys, you can go do it. I'm not special. I literally got a 20. I just took the ACT because I lost my fantasy football league. I got a 21 on the ACT. I don't have some above average intelligence. I'm just really good at talking, communicating, being persistent, being relentless, guys. And I've been able to drastically increase my income and find success in what I do, guys. You can do the exact same. I want to help you get there, guys. I want to help you get there sooner rather than later. So make sure to let me know how I can help in the comments below. Also, anything else you're thinking or questions you have or videos you guys want me to make, just comment below and I'm happy to do that, guys. If you're still with me to this point, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate your support. 2021 is going to be a big year, not only for me, but you too. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.